we created this project based on 3 tables. The first one is the orders table, which has order ID, order customer ID, order date, order product ID, and the order unit. And the second one has, the second table has the product, which include product ID, the name, description, unit cost, sales price, and color. The last table includes the customer ID, their first name, last name, address, province, city, postal code, email, birthday, and phone number. And we created the customer table where you can see that go to Iris School and then enter it. It would show up the information for Iris School. And then you could also add an order here. So if we say add order ID 345, order date today, which is April 19th, 2021, and then so 2021 04/19, and then unit would be 3. Now we can add now you'll see the new order has been added to our list. So you could also enter the order ID to find corresponding customer. Let's see if we enter 01, and then you can find the customer ID for 01 and the customer information, which is the first one here. So if you click on customer info, this is the customer info page. If you click on product summary, you can look at the product ID, unit cost, sales price, color, profit, and then also the customer that has placed order under the same product. If you click on product list, you can see all of the product we have available. You can sort it by profit, and you can also sort it by customer ID. So this will make it sorted. And yeah, this is for easier user interface, and then for people to be able to find the product in the fastest way. And then let's take a look at some of the graphic we created to draw insight from the project. First of all, let's look at gross income per product. So here you can see that comparing AirPod and MacBook Air has much higher gross income per product. And then going to the second graphic, which is the volume of orders per product. MacBook Air also has much higher volume compared to the AirPod. And lastly, comparing the pie chart of product volume, you can see this in a visual way that MacBook Air also has more volume. Actually, no. Yeah, MacBook Air has more volume than AirPod. Okay, and now let's go to, so we've taken a look at the product list and the product itself. We've looked at this as well, and then the customer. So this is where all 3 tables come together in terms of, you can see the orders here, and the customer name here, and then the order ID and product ID can be found in the product table. So that's it for our project. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you've enjoyed watching it.